My name is Sam Sipe. I actually came from a background of being a Navy pilot prior to getting out kind of at the beginning of COVID, transitioned into a role doing data analysis and things like that in the intelligence community, working with a lot of satellite data, managing some of those projects over there. So FourthBrain is very fast-paced, and it's at times it'll feel like drinking from a fire hose. It's a lot of information and it's a lot of learning. It's a good enough pace that you can learn and get your hands dirty and not feel too overwhelmed.
My name is Milan. I'm a career data science operations leader. My job daily is just providing business leaders with expert advice on data science, machine learning, and system design related topics. But what I like most about this particular program and why I chose it, even having a master's in data science, I think this program really bridges the gap. And what I mean by that is from day one, you get your pre-course work, right, on matrices, vectors, scalars that you can review. But then each week you jump right in. So highly recommend it. The staff is absolutely amazing. And more importantly, you just get to learn with people who really love learning this type of technologies.
Before FourthBrain, I was a classroom teacher. I taught Spanish and Mandarin Chinese for about 14 years. In the last 5 years, pre-COVID, I transitioned into a head of school role. So I do want to highlight the instructors that you have more than anything believe in you. And I think that's the biggest thing. I think there's no lack of knowledge. You can teach yourself if you're an incredibly motivated person, but the instructors and your classmates, you're talking to a Navy pilot, you're talking about a U.S. Marine, you're talking to people who bring incredible resources, incredible perspectives to these projects. And it just rubs off. There's a productive sort of peer pressure that moves forward because you will be working very, very hard. And these people will surround you and wrap you with both the technical expertise, but also like the emotional support. Cannot sing the praises of FourthBrain more loudly or from a higher rooftop. Love it, love it, love it.
So if you're in a data science type role, if you want to up your game, this is the time, right? Like you have to be able to expand a little bit more, not just build that model, but learn how to deploy that model and put some automation behind it. And this is the best time in this moment in time is we talk about the fourth industrial revolution. I think the time is now to up your game. The difference would be, do you want to read some papers or you want to like get your hands dirty and moving and actually start to build something and put that paper to life? You get to work with people at various skill levels who all approach the same problem absolutely differently. So at one moment, you could be working with a software engineer, someone who's head of sales, or somebody who's a trained data scientist. And when you get in that group, everybody has their own methodology for approaching that problem. And I think that's so valuable for me just to see the different types of solutions that we can get to the same problem.
You know, to work with folks from literally all over the world, China, Asia, wherever people are coming from. And I think we've talked hard and I think we've done a fantastic job of emphasizing how robust the program is.
It's a community and it's a network. Everyone on my capstone's in a different time zone and we're all still really close and we all Slack each other at 3 a.m. and work on problems together. So it's really cool. And that's something I did not expect joining FourthBrain, that it would be a network. So thank you.